award-winning chef Jeanine DiMenna sharing her recipes? That's right! At the View Grill restaurant, located at the Glen Cove Golf Course in Glen Cove, Chef Jeanine is sharing some of her favorite recipes. With over 30 years of experience, Chef Jeanine has accommodated an array of amazing dishes that are beloved by her guests at the View Grill. Now, she is sharing those recipes with guests at the restaurant through her cooking classes. Guests enjoy her amazing insights into everything, from her salad dressing, award-winning main courses, and desserts. Oh, and of course, the guests get to eat. Between bites, guests were heard to say, "This is fantastic. Jeanine is amazing. I'm going to try this at home." "We're all together," one woman said, circling the table with her hand. "We are having so much fun. It's like being in Jeanine's kitchen." For upcoming cooking classes, visit the View Grill's website at www.theviewgrill.info.